Dito na ulit tayo sa FT guys. Every terraces ulit tayo man. Medyo na late na ako pumunta. Kasi may ginawa pa ako sa bahay. At ayan, umulan din dito. Malakas yata ang ulan. So, punta na tayo sa spot. So, magsa-setup lang ako.
Nagsasalita ako naka-timelapse pala, pero paumpisa na ako nito.
Wish you never left me. Love's a mystery. You can break a heart so easily. The days and nights we knew how much I feel for you. Time has come for me to see how much your love has meant to me. And I always love you. If you ever change your mind, I'll still, I will love you. Come up to meet you, tell you I'm sorry. I don't know how lovely you are. I had to find you, tell you I need you, tell you I'll set you apart. Nobody said it was easy. Oh, it's such a shame for us to part. Nobody said it was easy. No one ever said it would be this hard. Oh, take me back to the start.
India picture video. Ayan, nandito may mga dumadalaw. Ang kapitbahay ni ano. Kapitbahay ng FT. Kirby Terraces. Ayun, tapos na ako guys. Okay. Pack na ako. Tapos kakain kami. Ayan, okay na, nakapack kami. Kasama ko. Tagabuhat ako ngayon. Lumalaw sila. Dito sa Kirby Terraces. Since taga Nabalikas lang itong dalawang mga churchmate ko guys. So yun, okay naman yung ano, matao ngayon. Hindi ko expect na ano, ganun kalaki yung tips. So, thank you Lord, thank you. See you sa next one.